60 million individuals are now refugees. Some 11.5 million of them either refugees or internally displaced in Syria. There are stories behind each one of those names, and it's our privilege to have come to know one of those stories.
There is no better than this occasion to express my deep gratefulness to the American government for saving my future and opening a fascinating doors for the flourish of my career. I was so lucky that I myself made it to the US through Monmouth College. The support I received from the entire Monmouth community is exquisite. My thanks to them is indelible, and my appreciation for their incredible determination for providing me with everything I may need is steadfast in remembrance. I have a dream. I would like to visit the Syrian refugee camps in Turkey and Lebanon and to direct several music workshops for the Syrian children. These children have been exposed to a number of extremely inhumane and harsh scenes and were forced to abandon their former lives and to flee their homelands to survive the war. Together, let's help these children to forget the war for a while and give them the chance to touch the beauty of music. We need to return the smiles to their faces. We need to fill their life with joy. It would be great if we could convey to these children the option of carrying a musical instrument versus that of carrying a weapon.
Mariela is an inspiration to all of us who have had the privilege to come to know her, to call her a classmate, a colleague, a friend, a fellow member of the Monmouth College family. She is an example of the power of grace, of dignity, of hope, and most of all, the power of music.